Hello guys, how to fix Windows Update error code 0x80070664 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are trying to install any Windows latest update and fail to install in your system having error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key, or you may click on right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to system settings, thereafter go to right side and look for the option troubleshoot. The first and initial workaround is run Windows inbuilt tool troubleshoot. Choose other troubleshooters and here look for Windows update troubleshoot and click on run button against Windows update to run Windows update troubleshoot. This is the initial and first workaround you must apply. Windows inbuilt tool troubleshoot for any major and minor issue of your system. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process and check whether your Windows update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Disk cleanup. Go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Open it. Select the drive you want to clean up. Choose the drives having your program files, and here under files to delete, make the check against options recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, previously update downloaded files, and click on OK. A pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. The disk cleanup utility is cleaning up necessary files on your system. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator mode and here execute some DISM tool to scan your system health. These three DISM tool execute one by one in command from Windows: DISM scan health, DISM check health, and DISM restore health. Once successfully execution of this DISM tool, execute sfc/scan now command and press enter and wait till 100% completion of this verification. After that, restart your system and check whether your system having Windows update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Clean boot your system. Go to Windows search, type run dialog box. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type msconfig to open system configuration windows in your system. Here from the top menu bar, choose services and at the bottom left corner you will find hide all Microsoft services. Make the check against this option and choose disable all. Thereafter go to top menu bar and choose startup, open task manager. This is the process of clean boot your system and here startup apps. Look for any enabled startup apps. If you find it, manually disable it. Simply right click on enabled startup apps and choose disable. Apply this process for all the enabled startup apps in your system. After that, close the window and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode again and execute some Windows update components in command prompt Windows as shown on screen. First, execute these 4 commands one by one followed by enter key on each time to stop these 4 services. And once completed, execute one by one followed by enter key on each time. Execute these commands one by one followed by enter key on each time. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. Execute one by one all these Windows update components and after that start all those 4 services you have earlier stopped them. Execute one by one followed by enter key on each time. In command prompt windows, and after that restart your system. And check whether Windows Update error code you are facing resolved or not. If not, manually download and install Windows Update. Look for KV Update which you want to install. Go to Google Chrome browser and look for Microsoft Update Catalog. Type in search field Microsoft Update Catalog and open first result Microsoft Update Catalog, and here in search field type the KV update which you want to install and having error code, and look for search and manually download and install Windows Update in your system if none of the workaround fix your issue. That's all.